Every mobile developer had developed out of confidential computing. If you wanted to build with Zama's homomorphic encryption, you could think about JavaScript or Rust. But if you build mobile apps, there simply was no a way in. So I'm Dominion and I created some of that. The first that and Flutter SDK for the Zama FHE. Flutter already powers millions of mobile apps. It is used by startups, enterprises, and independent developers all over the world. And despite that, Flutter developers couldn't build confidential application with Scala, right? Not because Flutter was not capable, but because the tools simply didn't exist yet, right? If confidential computing is going to reach everyday users, this is what I think. I think it has to reach mobile users too, and that's exactly the gap I wanted to close. So I built an SDK that brings Sama to data and Flutter. Right. Developers can encrypt data directly on a phone, send confidential transactions, and decrypt the results all without leaving Flutter. The SDK is powered by Zama's own cryptography environment, so developers use the same trusted technology while writing code in language very different. My goal was not to reinvent Zama, it was to make Zama accessible to an entirely new developer community. So for a demo, right, I'm going to share my screen using screen copy so you can see what's happening on my mobile device, right? And I'm going to, while that's happening, I'm going to also run the mobile app, which is going to be our demo, right? I'm going to run it on my Android device, Solana Mobile Seeker, right? And we can see here whatever is going to be happening on my mobile device. So I'm going to speed this up. Right, so this is our mobile application, right? And I can pretty much encrypt data on this device, everything happening locally, right? So this application is going to help me to submit a confidential transaction in Sepolia, right? The transaction can be confirmed on chain, right? And I can decrypt the results back on this same device. So the complete workflow, right, from encryption to blockchain to the decryption, right, is happening entirely in this Flutter application, right? And the same experience also works, probably works faster on an iOS device, right?